Wolin National Park, Poland, a windswept island on the Baltic Sea, known for its cliffs, forests, and ever-changing weather. Today, it's a cool, rainy afternoon with temperatures around 7 to 8 degrees Celsius. Light but steady rain falls through the mist, carried by coastal winds. The air is damp, heavy, and restless, the kind of weather most pilots would avoid. But that's exactly why I'm here. I'm testing the DJI Neo in real-world rainy conditions. Steady light to moderate rain, humidity above 80%, and strong southern winds blowing 16 to 20 miles per hour, about 25 to 32 kilometers per hour, with gusts reaching 34 miles per hour or roughly 55 kilometers per hour. And moisture, the follow mode performs flawlessly. The gimbal smooths out every movement. The Neo holds its line, no drift, no signal loss. Sensors stay sharp, even through mist and low contrast. After several minutes of continuous flight, there's no sign of water intrusion or instability. Flight time drops slightly, but control remains precise and steady in the wet, windy, and cold conditions of Wolin's Baltic coast. The DJI Neo proves it can handle far more than sunshine. DJI Neo. Tested, trusted, rain-approved. Thanks for joining me in the rain at Wolin National Park. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos.